Hello, my dear students. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Today, we will check out our sound effect in different media. Okay, let's start. First of all, I'm now using the goat effect, goat sound effect. Okay, goat is coming. Can you hear that? I repeat again. Yeah, understand. Here comes the washing machine sound effect. What is it? It's a machine sound, yeah. Okay. Now here goes the bass sound effects. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. It's a bass, high speed bass, yeah. Toot, toot, toot. Toot, 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 toot. High speed bass, yeah. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my sound effect video, and we will come back next different videos. At this moment, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.